Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the box and label closely. Look for the INN, the active ingredient name, and the exact strength. That tells you what the product contains. Once done, confirm manufacturer and regulatory marks so you know it passed local approval. Make sure to note whether the package looks like a branded product or a labeled generic, and compare the listed price and prescription requirement immediately. These first checks begin to separate generic versus ethical medicines quickly and reliably. Next, you validate what's inside and why it matters. Compare the active ingredient, dosage form, and excipients against the branded reference. If identical, that supports a generic designation. Then check the regulatory license or approval number with your national database to confirm legal marketing status. Also look for explicit bioequivalence claims or study references on the leaflet. Once you have licenses and composition matched, you can tell whether products are interchangeable or if the branded version maintains unique formulation or delivery, justifying ethical classification. Finish by reconciling price, patent claims, and professional guidance. You should confirm whether a patent still applies or if price differences reflect brand premiums versus generic competition. Make sure to ask a pharmacist about substitution rules in your jurisdiction and review any pharmacovigilance reports for safety signals. If things go wrong, labels unclear, conflicting info, or suspected counterfeit, request batch verification from the regulator or order lab analysis. That single troubleshooting step resolves most remaining doubts and protects patient safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.